Hello everyone, welcome to CodeLinkUp, and today we learn the Bootstrap, that is a CSS framework. Bootstrap is open source CSS framework that is used to build responsive applications. Basically, it contains the CSS and JavaScript based design templates for the typography, forms, buttons, navigations, and other interface components. It builds fast and responsive websites. Responsive websites means your website is compatible with all the device, or you can say that your website is a device compatible. Let's start. Before making the responsive websites or layout, we have to set up Bootstrap in your web page. So for this, we have some several ways. The first way is by command prompt using the npm. For the npm, you have to just go to the command prompt and by the following the path of your project section here and just type npm install bootstrap. Press enter and it will download your the respected files with the node modules and package log.js. It have the requires and log version true, and node modules have a CSS file and JSS file also here. But I am not recommending this value because always we use this type of the bootstrap installation when we are working on the Angular, React and front end part of the any JS part. The second part is using the CDN. So just type my HTML structure here, and to type the HTML structure with less effort in the Visual Studio Code, you have to just write the exclamation mark and type the enter. Then you will get the default HTML structure here. Okay, now I'm going to show how to install the second way of how to install the Bootstrap in the second way. The second way is using the value copy the links from the bootstrap getbootstrap.com website and copy this css and js file here. Just copy here and paste your css and js file between the meta text of your web page, or you can see this is the your js file. You can see the comment here, the latest compiled and minified css file. So what is the meaning of the minified css and minified javascript file? Minified css and minified javascript files means that have the light version of css and js that taking the your website in instance way. It increase your speed index your websites. Now we have installed in the second way with using the CDN. That CDN means the content delivery networks. So maxcdn.bootstrap.com is the website of the content delivery network. There they have host the Bootstrap version of the 3.3.7 and Bootstrap sections here. Now the latest version is the Bootstrap 4, but in the section I'm using the Bootstrap 3 and using the bootstrap file here, and also allow the cross origin with the anonymous. You just go to this file, this copy and paste your file here. Now this is the setup of your file. The second, the last and the third part is using the download sections here. So again, go to the getbootstrap.org websites, go to the download sections. You can download the library file here, and this is having the javascript and the css file here. This folder consists of the css fonts and js file with following thing, and you have to just install copy this folder in your project, and instead of this line which we use on the meta tag, you just import your css file here. So this is about how to install the bootstrap in your web page. Now we are going to design the web page according to bootstrap. So we have the setup here. Now we will discuss about the how the actual the work sections, and I'm just showing the one paragraph with these sections. After going to the my web page, you can see your text will be started from the lowest corner, sorry, topest corner, and working increasingly in the horizontal way. If you type the more thing here, it will be expanding here. But if you want to show this text in the middle way, just like this, you have to write your query with aligned center, margin, whatever you want. But Bootstrap have some features like that, the container sections. So now we discuss about the Bootstrap container. Bootstrap have a class that is Bootstrap have that class that is container. Container is basically show your text as per minimum width of the 100%. So Bootstrap is basically a platform with the containers, a powerful grid system, and flex systems like the media. The Bootstrap container is used to l- create the basic layout and basic element in, and it is required when using your default grid systems. The container is used to set the contents navigations and merging and dealing with the respective behavior several layouts. It contains the row and row containing the column section, that is called a grid system. There are three classes in the, or sorry, we can say the two classes of the container, that is container fluid and the container. As the container we are using here now, the container fluid. So if I'm using container fluid class, you can see my text will be shown as per this. So it will be starting here. So what is fluid, what is what is contain, what is fluid one, what is the container class, how's the basic of this, we will discuss here. So container class, that is dot container class, means your web page is totally in the width of 100%. Okay, that is in your width of the 100%. You can see the fixed width container, it will be your fixed width container, that maximum width, sorry for that, takes max width and it will be the fixed width container, that is a container class. If now you want in a broadcast, sorry, in the broad way, you have to use container fluid, and container fluid is always the 100%, that is your 100% width. So if you're writing the div classes with the 100%, you have to write this your style classes style with 100%, and it will show like this. So in the bootstraps, they have the classes, that is a container and the container float. There is another classes of the container, that is a container breakpoint. Container breakpoint is basically your media query, how it will be work, and how you can write your media query as per the sections. So container breakpoint in is like your media query. So check the container breakpoint and bootstrap. So what is exactly here? It is nothing about uh, just type your style class, okay, at the rate media screen, okay, and the screen will be my hmm, min width colon 576 pixel. This is for one media query. So this query is only work on the minimum width is 576, that is small size device, your phone. Okay, if I'm using the media query is 768 pixel, so it is only for your tablets up to the tablet section here. If I'm writing the my media query for minimum width 992 pixel, that is for your desktop. If I'm working for 1200 pixel, so this is for the large screen device. So this is about the breakpoints of Bootstrap. Sorry for this is totally. And here in I'm writing my own class that is will be the mm, like this, and color equal to red. So whatever I'm want to write here, this class will be work here. Okay. Now this is about the breakpoint of the class, and now we discuss about the, but the Bootstrap have one features that is the grid, which will be not include these types of stuffs. What is about the grid? When we are working on the design, the grid is a structure, and that is usually 2D and made of the series of the intersecting the straight lines, that is your vertical and horizontal lines, and that will be structure your content. Grid is a series of the containers, rows and columns to the layout and align center. It built with the flexbox and fully responsive. Grid allow you to use the 12 columns axis, and it basically split your the page into the 12 sections, the 12 pieces, and that 12 pieces will be the call MD1 of the 12, call MD3 of the 4 sections, and call MD4 of the 6 sections. What are the MD here? MD is basically the class here. So I'm just using the container class. Okay, and showing the example of Bootstrap container and the totally grid system. So just I'm using dot class name container. It will give you the Visual Studio Code, give you the structure of the div. Okay, this is my div classes here, and I'm here using the prime spam. Okay, okay. Now under this sections, I'm just using my another class that oh, that is container class, that is row, and row have dot call md3 d3, and just copying this value 3 of 4 section here, and go to the your web page. You can see your column will be in the different sections of the 3 sections. It will split your width size of 3 in the 4 sections. If you inspect the element here, you can see that the call md will be the list view if we have size of the small mobile size, because you are using md. What if I'm using here call access, call sm, call lg3? So basically it will be like this: 1 2 3 4. Just save here. You can see the small size will be the column will be in the, your text will be in the column sections, all the size will be the responsive. So this is about the classes. This is about the call MD, call SM, and call access. What is the call MD, call SM, and call access? Basically, this is a grid classes. Access is for the phones. So we are writing the media query for the 576 pixels. So that is for the phones SM. Sorry, access. SM for the tablets, MD for the desktops, and LG for the large screen desktops. So this is about the example with related to this. As I mentioned that the container have a row and row have a column, and that will be called your the grid system. So we have made your the grid section here. You can see by sample example, and I'm just writing my own class. You can see here. So my grid system will be work here. So this is about the grid system and the basic layout of the Bootstrap. How can we set up, how can we structure, and what are the container sections and what are the row sections, and how can we made up the grid with using the container row. So this is completely about the Bootstrap basics. You can go to the Bootstrap, get bootstrap.arg dot getbootstrap.com website where you can see a minimum device and minimum layout also here. So there are something layouts of the container MD, container XL, container fluid that is 100% extra large, all-in-one containers you need of that. Okay, and some types of the your components if you are using on that, so you can use the label also. Okay, and you have some classes of the, like suppose that I'm showing the alert here, so just copy this section here, alert and alert primary here. You will show your grid section without showing the typing the um, style css with the following this the grid simply print alert and it will be showing here. But why it's not showing here? I'm just a little bit confused. Because it's in four part. Okay, so uh, it's my mistake that I have the Bootstrap 3. So just changing my CSS layout here. Sorry, CSS file here. Also the JS file here, and let's check the output. You can see here. So we are in the Bootstrap 4 right now. So this will be show here if you want to show the table. So the tab for the table you can go to the boost check the bootstrap table. So go to the bootstrap table and that will be the part show you the basic layout of the table. Copy this code and you can see a basic layout of the table, and table will be also responsive. Chrome have tools like this, and you can check the responsiveness also here, or some people's also using this types of the stuff for the large screen, for the small screen, and this is very small screen that is very below to the 4576. So this will be showing here, that will be not the size of that. So this is about the bootstrap and responsive size. Thanks.